Hi, my name's Ed Schoenfeld, and I'm the owner and creator of RedFarm and Decoy restaurants. And we're here at my home in the Forest Hills section of Newark, New Jersey. So our house is a Georgian revival house built in 1908. Our house is very ornately detailed on the outside with an elaborate limestone doorway and beautiful brickwork and shutters with half moons in them. Come on in, we'll show you around. Here we are in the beautiful foyer and entryway of our house. This room features 7 different archways. Also original to the house are these fantastic old sconces. The switches on them are original Thomas Alva Edison switches. The living room is a room that we hang out in every day. It's a great place for sitting and talking, the way the chairs are arranged. The motif here is pink and white with accents of blue and green. One of the really greatest parts of the living room are the big windows and the views to the beautiful garden. Let's go take a look. Our garden is like a little private oasis. I'm in the restaurants every night. It's loud, it's cacophonous, and then suddenly I come home and I hear the sound of running water. The garden has different sections. We have a curving pathway and a beautiful statue. Over on the other side of the garden, we have a beautiful flower bed. In the other corner, we have a hot tub. In the back, we have a gazebo with a little bridge. There's not too much in life that I want that I can't get right here. This room was originally called the parlor on the original construction plans. These days, it's my office. It's not a big room, but it's really a fun room. It has the only fireplace in the house that's never been used. It has beautiful marble inlays. A lot of the furniture in this room are heirloom pieces from my family that I grew up with. This is my father's desk from the 1940s that he used at MGM. This was my grandfather's table that he brought across the Atlantic in 1898. As you'll see, the yellow curtains here are carried over into the dining room. Let's go take a look. As you can imagine, as a restaurateur, the dining room was one of the most important parts of our house. It's decorated with a lot of things that we actually bought from an antiques dealer. I think what makes a good dining room is having a table and chairs that are the right size so that all the people at the table can relate and talk to one another. So right here we have this swinging door, the kind you'd see in a restaurant. In fact, it's the entrance to our kitchen. A well-designed kitchen is one where everything is very easy to reach and convenient. You don't have to walk around too much. That's not necessarily the case in this kitchen. Things are still close enough and there's enough expansiveness to enjoy yourself in this kitchen. I love to cook every day if I can. I'd say in the last 50 years, I've probably cooked 98 or 99% of the days. Thanks so much for coming to visit us at our Newark home. 4 stars for me.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?